Managing field service operations involves juggling job scheduling, customer communication, mobile workforce coordination, and invoicing. That's where Big Change comes in, an all in one job management platform designed to simplify every aspect of field service management. Big Change connects your back office with your field team through one integrated system, helping you plan jobs, dispatch workers, monitor progress in real time, and handle billing, all without switching between multiple tools. In this video, we'll explore its key features and how they can help streamline your business operations in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the job scheduling and resource planning. BigChange offers a smart scheduling interface where jobs can be booked, assigned, and rescheduled with drag and drop simplicity. You can match jobs to field engineers based on skill sets, location, or availability, ensuring the right person is assigned to the right job. This minimizes downtime, prevents scheduling conflicts, and ensures efficient use of your workforce, especially when managing multiple appointments each day. Another key feature is the mobile workforce app. Field staff use the Big Change mobile app to receive job details, update progress, capture photos, collect customer signatures, and complete job reports from their mobile devices. The app works even offline, syncing when a connection is available. This keeps your field team connected and productive on the go while eliminating paper forms and reducing admin work back at the office. Another key feature is the CRM and customer communication. Big Change includes built-in CRM tools for managing customer records, service history, and communication. Automated text or email updates keep customers informed about job status, technician arrival times, and post job summaries. Enhanced communication boosts customer satisfaction, reduces no shows, and ensures all stakeholders are in the loop during service visits. Another key feature is the real-time vehicle and job tracking. The platform provides live tracking of your fleet and job statuses. You can monitor technician locations, see which jobs are in progress or completed, and get real-time updates from the field. This visibility helps dispatchers make quick decisions, respond to urgent requests faster, and keep operations running smoothly throughout the day. Another key feature is the invoicing and financial integration. BigChange allows you to generate codes, issue invoices, and take payments all within the platform. It also integrates with popular accounting systems like Xero and QuickBooks, making financial tracking seamless. This reduces billing delays, simplifies reconciliation, and gives both the field and finance teams full visibility into job-related revenue. So why is BigChange a great choice? BigChange is ideal for businesses that want to centralize operations and reduce reliance on disconnected tools. It streamlines job scheduling, customer service, technician coordination, and invoicing, all from one platform that's easy to use and mobile friendly. In 2025, Big Change continues to grow with enhanced analytics, tighter integration with third party tools, and features tailored to industries like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and property maintenance. It's especially well suited for companies scaling their operations, offering customization options and flexible workflows that grow with your business. The platform's real time data and centralized communication allow teams to operate proactively rather than reactively, saving time, money, and frustration. On top of that, Big Change provides excellent customer support and a dedicated onboarding process to ensure your team gets up and running smoothly. So basically, Big Change transforms field service operations by bringing job management, mobile workflows, customer communication, and invoicing into one powerful platform. With its easy to use interface and robust mobile capabilities, it eliminates paperwork, reduces errors, and increases team productivity. So, if you're looking to streamline your field service business, improve customer satisfaction, and scale your operations in 2025, Big Change is a smart investment to make. It's a comprehensive tool that helps your entire team, from dispatchers to technicians, work smarter, faster, and more collaboratively. So if you need more information about BigChange, you can always visit their website, which is bigchange.com. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different features and information, just such as the platform overview, their CRM, their job scheduling, and of course, the most important one is its pricing overview. And from here, as you can see, you'll see a bunch of plans that you can choose from with a bunch of different features that you can compare. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.